In this video, I will show you how to effortlessly extract action items from your meetings using Claude and Fireflies.ai. We all know the struggle of sitting through a long call only to forget exactly who promised to do what by when. By connecting these two powerful tools, you can automate your post-meeting workflow in seconds. First, you need to make sure your Fireflies account is active and has recorded your latest session. Once your meeting is saved, head over to Claude and get ready to use a specific prompt that bridges the data. You should ask Claude to look into your Fireflies account and find the transcript for your most recent meeting. Be sure to specify the exact title of the event, such as your Monday sync or project update. Instruct the artificial intelligence to analyze the entire conversation and extract a clean list of action items. To get the best results, tell Claude to include 3 specific details for every point. Specifically, you want the exact action or deliverable, the person assigned to the task, and any mentioned or implied deadlines. By asking for the output in a clean markdown checklist format, you will have a ready-to-use list that you can paste directly into your project management software or a follow-up email. This method saves you from re-listening to hours of audio and ensures that nothing important slips through the cracks. Using this smart automation allows you to focus on the discussion while the technology handles the documentation. Try this prompt today to keep your team organized and accountable.